Visual Paradigm not just support import model elements from Excel. It can let you establish relationships between models. In this video you will learn how to import relationships from Microsoft Excel. We use use case diagram as example. As you can see, we already got use cases and actors defined, but no relationships between them. To import the relationship, we first need to know how they are defined in Excel file. Let's create one relationship between actor and use case. Now we can export the models into Excel and use it as the base for define other relationships. Go to Project, Export, Excel. Specify the output path. Select model type per sheet as export style. Select the use case diagram. Make sure the model types use case, actor and the relationship are included. Press Export button to export the models into Excel. Here is the exported Excel file. The actor and use case worksheets list out all the actors and use cases we exported. The first ID column are the elements ID that we will use to establish the relationship. Switch to Association worksheet, and it show the association we defined. The core of a relationship are the ID, as well as the from, and to end. The ID column is the ID of the association itself. The from end and to end are the IDs of the related model elements. Let's define the association between actor and use case. We start from Credit Manager. Specify a non-exist ID for the new association. Please note that the numeric ID value need to enter as text. We need to add an apostrophe in front of the value to make sure it's being picked up as text value. Enter 15 as the from end, which is the ID of Credit Manager actor. Enter 9 as the to end, which is the ID of the Manage Credit Account use case. Repeat the step for another new association. This time the from end is still 15, but the to end is 7, which is the loan money use case. The Investment Manager actor should have association to invest money use case. Let's create a new association with from end ID as 13, and the to end ID is 5. Now define association for Teller 2 customer actor. It should have association to Manage Account, Manage Credit Account, and Loan Money use cases. Let's create 3 associations, all with from end is 3, and the to end are 11, 9 and 7 respectively. Since we want the association automatically visualize on diagram after import, we therefore also need to specify the values for the diagram ID, diagram name, parent ID and parent name column. All these can be copied from the association we exported. Save the changes, and switch back to Visual Paradigm application. Go to Project, Import, Excel. Specify the Excel file we just edited, and press Import button to import the change. The import dialog identified 6 new associations from Excel file. Press OK to proceed. Now the associations are being imported to model, and automatically visualized on diagram. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.